Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. Here I'm more and more leaning to the idea that wave 2 was already in, which means that the wave 2 that could still push a bit higher here was actually already in here on the 4th of October. So let's start though with the current wave count, then we talk about the other possibility. It doesn't really change anything in the trend. The focus would remain further to the downside anyway. So we have counted here from this significant swing high at 46.3 cents. We've counted this as a 5-wave move to the downside, a diagonal pattern in a wave 1 to basically bottom in at 41.7 cents. And then at the moment I'm looking at this as a possibility of an A, B, C correction. However, as I said yesterday in my videos, if we drop below 42.2, 42.1 cents, which we did, I mean we found support in the end, but we dropped below it, that would indicate that the wave B, that this is actually not a wave B, which means there shouldn't be a wave C either. Yeah, it then means that there's a good chance we're already coming down further, and there will not be that additional leg. Why is that the case? It is the case because if you look at it in terms of the Fibonacci retracement levels, the 78.6% Fib level is quite meaningful, and if you have a wave 2 or a wave B that drops below that level, it's not ideal. Yeah, it's not ideal, and that just increases the likelihoods it might be something different that's going on here. So we just need to be open to the idea that yes, indeed, we could push higher here. An important indication for that would be, from my point of view, a move above the 42.9 cent level. If we get beyond that level, above that level, it would strongly indicate that we are pushing higher here in wave 2 still, and would then come down in a wave 3 to the downside. The other possibility, and that is sort of, yeah, I'm leaning more towards that, is that we've already seen here the wave A, here the wave B, and the wave C of 2, yeah? And that we actually, and I take the WXY out, that this is not an ABC. In a WXY, know that we are already coming down in what you could consider a leading diagonal of wave 3, that we are already in the third wave, that will eventually push us down to 35, 36 cents. But that this indeed all was just a wave 1 again. So another 1-2 setup here, so that we say we had here wave 1, here a 2, a 3, 4 and 5, which again would finish a wave 1 of 3. So I'm gonna take these counts out just to keep it simple here and say this was a 1 then. There should now be a wave 2. Is it finished already? I don't necessarily think so. And then we will head down in waves 3, 4 and 5. You know, we'll see how low that will take us eventually. But that this here was a leading diagonal of the wave 3 already. And the wave 2 retracement, we can look at that as well. So we have really only now reached the 23.6% Fib level. Would be nice to at least see here the 38.2 or possibly even the 50% Fib level at 42.9 cent. Okay, so there is a good chance also in this count to push a bit higher before we come down in the third wave. And that's my update about ADA. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll know more already. Continues to be a very slow chart, very difficult chart, bit of a boring chart, but you know, we just need to have a bit of patience. But that's my current assessment here of the chart. So focus is on the downside with maybe a little bit of short-term upside potential, short-term, but nothing significant. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.